Hi, joyful friends. I'm Bailey, a vegan mom from the wild boar kingdom. Like a bright dawn, light radiates into my life as I treasure all of creation in my heart. Compassion towards others is definitely the way to go. I'd like to share a tasty recipe with you. Don't know what to do with your leftover potato peelings? Just try this simple crispy potato skins recipe using only potato peels and seasoning. Start by preheating your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Then peel your potatoes using a peeler instead of a knife, as the skin will be too thick using the latter. Next, set the peels onto a baking tray. Drizzle 1 to 2 teaspoons or 5 milliliters of oil on them, and then sprinkle on salt, pepper, and any other seasonings you may want, such as paprika, cumin, or chili powder. Use your hands to combine everything together until there is an even coating of oil and seasonings on the peelings. Make sure all the peelings are lying flat and place the baking tray into the oven for approximately 8 to 10 minutes, or until the potato skins turn slightly brown and crunchy. Try this recipe with other vegetable peelings, such as parsnip and carrots. If the vegetable peels are properly wrapped and kept in the fridge for up to 3 days, they can be used. Thank you for your attention and much love for being veg and going green to save the planet for all humans and us all co-inhabitants.
Vegan, 'cause the animal people deserve respect and love just like we do.